Welcome, in front of me I have XIAOMI Black Shark 4, and today I'll show you how to remove tempered glass from display in the smartphone. So at the first you have to focus on one of the edge. For example, we are going to remove it from the right bottom corner, and you have to simply use your fingernail and put it underneath this glass. So just make it like that, and as you can see right now we have to leave that glass, and we can put our second finger here, take a look, and then we can grab in the middle and then remove it gently to don't break glass, and there it is. As you can see, we easily remove that glass from our display, and basically that's all. As you can see, you don't have to use any additional accessories, you can simply use your hands. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.